Adams, RJ, Educational Media.
Once upon a time, in a dense forest by a wide river, there lived a clever little monkey. Every day, the monkey would eat the sweet fruits from the tree. He was happy and content. One day, a crocodile came to the river. He was hungry. The monkey shared some fruits with him. After that, the crocodile came every day to eat the tasty fruits. Slowly, the monkey and the crocodile became good friends. Far away, the crocodile's wife heard about the monkey. She wanted to eat the monkey's heart. She told the crocodile to bring the monkey home. The crocodile didn't want to hurt his friend, but he was afraid of his wife. So he thought of a plan to carry the monkey across the river. While they were crossing the river, the crocodile told the truth. But the monkey was very clever. The clever monkey stayed calm. "Oh no," he said. "I left my heart on the tree. Let's go back and get it." As soon as they reached the riverbank, the monkey jumped to safety on his tree. The crocodile felt ashamed and went away. The clever monkey lived happily and safely in his tree after that.